Hello again. Those who are opposed to the so-called nanny state will evidently find no support from Kier Starmer, the man hotly tipped to become this country's next Prime Minister. He has come out fighting in defence of the nanny state, which he explicitly endorses, saying, "The moment you say you want to do anything about child health, people say you're going to have a load of nanny state. We want to have that fight." Well, not mincing his words there, is he? In this specific case, the fight that Kier Starmer, who by the end of the year will almost certainly be Prime Minister, wishes to engage in, is to arrange in the first instance for people to go round to folks' houses and vaccinate their children, because not enough parents are taking the kids to health centres and clinics for their injections. In this way, it is hoped that eventually 100% of babies and small children will receive their vaccinations. This is, of course, because vaccination rates for children have been falling for years, a trend that Kier Starmer hopes to reverse. Then, too, there is the indisputable fact that it is almost impossible these days to find a dentist. You could tackle that by spending more money on training dentists in this country, of course, which would be horribly expensive and might make it necessary to raise national insurance or tax. A cheaper way of going about it would be to stop people developing toothache in later life by making sure that they're taught the correct way to brush their teeth in childhood by state-appointed toothbrushing experts who could double as teachers or care workers or something when they weren't showing kids how to brush their teeth each day. It is this cheaper option for which Kier Starmer has gone, despite reservations among teachers as to whether this should actually be part of their job. So the supervised toothbrushing will not be taking place at home, which is in some ways a pity. Those who are making sure that their children clean their teeth properly could then have got them into their pyjamas, tucked them up in bed and read them a story. Still, the vaccinations will, it seems, be delivered in the child's home, although by whom is not altogether clear. Will there be teams of vaccinators going door to door, or will it be done by nurses and health visitors? Certainly those parents who choose not to have their children vaccinated will have no excuse now that the vaccinations will actually take place in their home. There's no point anybody complaining about the nanny state either, because this is actually what Labour are openly advertising. No secret is now made about what is coming, so those who vote Labour will know what to expect. As usual, in the description to this video, I give links to one or two news items about this.